Good morning, everyone. We will get started in about 7 or 8 minutes. Just busy in the Discord, and then we'll get started. Yeah, so you guys can chat amongst yourselves, share chart setups, and I'll get over go over them in a minute. See you guys in a bit. All right, good morning, guys. Like I said, I think yesterday, they're doing a couple of maintenance things by my house, so there will be a little bit of drilling. So I'm just gonna mute myself whenever that does happen. But yeah, let me go through Twitter as normal. Please like up the stream. Let's see how many likes we can get. Okay, 17 likes. If we get to at least 50 likes, I know we only have 45 people in here. When we get to 50 likes, then we'll get started on YouTube. All right, let me just get the screen up and running. Perfect. Cool. Okay, let me go on to YouTube, Twitter. So we have OPTT. OPTT, just simply draw where the resistance is. Resistance is here, 0.163. Close above that. You can look for your entry. It's as easy as that. Use the 1 minute chart, 30-second, daily, weekly, 1 hour, whatever you decide. So OPTT is nothing yet. Nothing yet. Wait for break above 0.1630. 1630. Okay. So that is what you need to wait for OPTT. Otherwise, leave it. What Discord on you? This is the only link to the Discord right here. Okay, let me go over some of these plays here. Let's see. BJDX. I think this was just a pump and dump. I saw it run and then ran or not. Yeah, nothing. Nothing on BJDX. Nothing anymore. Pump and dump news on that. FFIE, I don't care about. FFIE, you guys can have a look at that chart. You can see it just needs to break that downtrend. It's extremely easy to do that. Even Stevie Wonder can do it himself. He literally just goes to a larger time frame and then he just clicks. Easy. SPWR, downtrend. I'm just going to be very honest with you guys with these plays, right? I'm just going to be downtrend, whatever, because it's most of these trades that you guys, these charts you share with me are all bearish. So all I'm just showing you is basically a downtrend. That's it. And then from there, you can figure out what to do. Simply all you need to do is wait for what? The downtrend to break. That's as easy as I can explain it to you, right? If it doesn't break the downtrend, you do not enter. If you are in and you're down more than 7%, you should be cutting your losses. Do not hold. Game is just in the demand zone. Nothing going on with this. Kitty has left the building. Right, MBIO, let me see. MBIO looks not good at all. So we saw that we broke below the uptrend. So now what? We are in a downtrend. So you have to wait for the downtrend to break if you want to look for an entry. So MBIO, wait for downtrend break. Wait for downtrend break. Yeah, wait for downtrend BIO, OPTX. People keep spamming me the same chart. Guys, you need to look at the chart yourself. I'm not going to hold your hand through the chart. I'm not a robot. If you want to, you can simply join the Discord. That's what everyone pays for my time. If you want to know an updated chart quicker than Twitter, then join the Discord. It's simple. Gave about 15 plays, only lost 2 trades today, which was on the same thing, VLCN. But I did get back into it and made all my money back from it, which was nice. Yeah, it looks great. That was a very nice trade. When was a nice one. GRDI was a nice one. So yeah, we had a lot of money was made pre-market. All right, good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon. Wenner here. Wenner is... Next resistance is 555. At the moment, you need to wait for what? The downtrend to break. If the downtrend breaks, you should continue to push. This chart is extremely bullish. I don't see it going anywhere else but up. Make sure you have a stop loss. SVRA, nothing really going on with this, to be honest. There's too many wicks going on. I don't really like it. It's not really one of the plays that I'm interested in, to be honest with you. But maybe this is a demand zone that it might pull back into where you can look for possible entries. So demand zone, here we go. But that is your resistance there, 624. Hi, hello Jesh, hello. I'm not trading, this is for entertainment purposes. Right, we have 84 people in here. How many likes we got? 39 likes. Come on guys, we get to at least 50, 60. When OPTT, I think I already just went over that one. There you go. So there, now you should be in OPTT. You should be in OPTT right now. You have a wick fill to 0.180. That is your target. If you want to hold, or you can hold for 5%, whatever you decide. Right? Now you have wick fill to 0.1804. That is your wick fill. Right, AIEV, this one was a crazy move. I don't know why this thing ran, but someone asked me about an hour and a half or 2 hours ago about this play. It was in the downtrend and then obviously it ran. I don't know if it's getting pumped. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. Once that closed above, this candle here was your entry. That was your entry. That was your entry. Bang. So AIEV, nice. Your next resistance is all the way up to here. $4 basically. Winner's here. Winner, you need the downtrend break. A candle closure above the downtrend equals entries. That means you have to wait for the candle close above. Onco. Onco, too low volume. Nothing. Just ranging. Another one, you can just draw trend, bearish. Break above trend line equals entries. Is OPTX done? So OPTX, who's asked this question? Janil, listen here. The stock is up 200%. Do you want it to keep going and up and up and up and up and up and up and up? Yes, we all do. But listen, you should have taken profits already. The thing's up 200%. Unless you bought here right at the top at 878 or 880, then, you know, that's an issue, right? So right now, what you're looking for, if you're trying to look for the trade, but I know you're in it, okay? If you're up 5%, you should be selling some of your position, right? Do not try and hold for 100%. Do not hold for 200%. Do not hold for 50% because you're going to be living on the streets because it's not going to get there to that much, right? Be realistic when you trade. Be very, very realistic. Look for realistic percentages, all right? If you're trying to look for an entry now, wait for the break above the downtrend. That is it. Holding winner 410. Good luck. So you literally bought the top. Ouch. Hopefully it runs, Matt. WYY. WYY. I don't know. Well, I mean, the chart is very bullish. Where is it at? 306. Yeah, this is your next resistance around here. See this? Wait for this. I mean, you have, it's very bullish charts, broken above. There's a higher probability it'll continue to go up though. So it looks all right. Holding winner, OPTT breaking. Yeah, I think it broke, right? Where is it? I'll just keep it on my watch list. Well, it's not going to be on my watch list. I'll just put it here for Hasi. I'm not really watching this. Actually, not many plays under $1, which is a change of scenery. AIEV is just chilling. I mean, it's a very bullish chart. You have your resistance level. It's broken above this. This is your next one, $4. $4 is your next one. MLGO, this one was looking good. MLGO, yeah, MLGO looks great. Expected to break out. It's pretty much breaking out right now. Your next level is 1760 and then literally 21. This was a parabolic runner on Monday, from what I remember. Discord is $90 for 1 month, $230 for 3 months. Different keyboard. If it's too loud for you, bro, you can leave. It's up to you. The keyboard is just because it's right next to my by my mic. TPST. Yeah, you asked me about this one, I think, Sean. I think. Yeah. So look, TPST. Everyone, we have 100 people in here. I think all 100 people will tell you what they will tell you to not buy the stock. Leave it alone. There's nothing going on. Buy. That's it, right? Just keep it very, 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 very simple for you. SMFL. SMFL, nothing unless 430, unless you want to wait for this downtrend break like this over here. Right, 430 break. Maybe a falling wedge possible. So yeah, maybe it's looking bullish. Your just resistance levels at 430. So SMFL, possible breakout. Technically speaking, it should break out. a possible breakout. What filters do you use? I don't have a screener, I don't have a scanner, I don't use any of that BS. I literally just use Weeble top gainers. You can use on vesting, whatever. It's just the top gainer plays that I use. VLC is it done? What do you mean is it done? I don't understand when people say that. The stock's up 38%. Like, what does that mean? Is it done? I'm assuming you mean is it done for the day? Is it going to run? I don't know, right? I can tell you that if it breaks 857, it'll continue to go up. That's what I can tell you. I wouldn't be in VLCN right now. You had a horrible entry on OPTX. Where did you buy OPTX at? Because the highest it would be is at 887. And I'm very curious as to why. I'd be curious as to why you entered right at the top here. What made you buy if the thing was up 200%? Curious, I'm curious. Let me know. Cedu. Sorry about the noise, guys. I'm trying to just mute it. There's nothing I can really do right now. It should be finishing soon anyway. Cedu. Same thing, guys. Guys, the best thing to do, it's a very simple technique for every trader who's starting out. Zoom out of your chart, use a larger time frame, use the 1 hour, 4 hour daily, and identify what is the trend. Is the trend going up or is it going down? If the trend is going down, you do not buy it. It's as simple as that, right? That's just as basic as I can explain it to you. Just because it's low and all those things and it's cheap. Because it's low and cheap, you think it's a good buy. That's not how you trade. You need to learn technicals, understand technicals, and then it will make a lot more sense. And you'll look back and be like, oh, why did I take that? I'm such an idiot, right? Truth, GRDI. It's okay. It's nothing really going on. Maybe double bottom already, but here. $2 psychological level. It's holding this well. Maybe we'll see if it can run again today. It ran 43% yesterday. So we will keep an eye on it again today. Thanks you to bought one really cheap. Well done, bro. Well done. Holding VLCN 886. Good luck. SVRA. Nothing on SVRA, guys. It's coming down. Nothing on it at all. Nothing. It's coming into demand zone. That's all I can tell you right now. I can tell you it's coming straight into the demand zone. VRA NWE, that's a former run, I think, or pumpers play, I don't know, one of those. NWE, nothing on this, unfortunately. Very low volume, right? So like this. I'm going to go through these wicks just to make it easy for you. Yeah, nothing interesting. Overall, the stock is pushing up a little bit, but yeah, nothing on it. It needs volume to at least respect this trend line. SVRA, NWE, please. Thanks, AGFY. HFY, no volume, down 5% yesterday, down 11% today. Nothing unless 0.41. There's a huge resistance here. Break above this, you have room all the way to 0.45. FOMO. Yeah, FOMO is everyone. RVSN, Rivis RVSN. This is a former runner. This used to be one of my favorite plays to trade. Yeah, nothing on this. RVSN's nothing. Extremely bearish chart. Look. Maybe above 0.82. You could look for something. Siri. SIRI. Alright. Maybe here demand zone-ish level, but yeah, maybe a demand zone here. Demand zone here. Yeah, so like this. Maybe demand zone. Demand zone's where buyers step in. That's the best thing I can tell you. NCPL. I saw this one last. Someone asked me about it. I don't think there was anything happening. Yeah, there's nothing unless 0.1430. So close above 0.1430. Because if you look left, clean range up here to 0.15. Keyboard sounds. Oh, it's a, I don't know. It's just a Logitech one. It's nothing crazy. I'm not really like got anything fancy. It's just a Logitech one, I think. SVRA sucks that you said it's going to 681 upon entry and it crashed to 4. I said it's going to go to 681. When did I say it's going to go to 681? When 681? I never said it was going to go to 681. If you understand, right, what I probably said was, if you read it correctly, 681's I don't know where it is, but if you understand, right, if I'm saying a stock has room to a level or a wick fill to that level, that does not give you the indication to buy. It's up to you if you decide to buy, right? There is a probability that it can get there. When will it get there, right? We're not sure. That is why I'm sharing these charts, right? To show you where the next level is. You probably got in, right, at whatever price you got in at, okay? And you were probably up 5%. At least, and you didn't take profits because you were holding for that 681 or whatever, and you weren't managing your risk at all. So next time moving forward, whenever you get into a trade, right, put a risk management plan into place. How much are you willing to lose when you get in a trade? How much are you willing to make in that trade, right? That's the best way I can do it. Do not buy a stock because I say it's got room to a level. That does not mean it's going to get to that level, or it doesn't mean buy the stock, okay? If you want to know how to trade and how to understand what my trade setups mean or anything like that, you can simply go into the Discord. But yeah, it doesn't mean buy. It doesn't mean buy. I never tell you guys to buy. I let you know where you can take entries, but I never tell you to buy. If you're down 21%, you should have managed your risk better, I'll be honest with you. Never be down 21% on play. That is extremely bad trading. EOS, no volume on EOS, unfortunately. Yeah, nothing on this. I don't know. These are very difficult charts to trade, but it's making high highs, high lows. Maybe this is an area where it'll push up. So we look at the trend, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, you know? So let's see, let's see. Lastly, MTC. Let me have a look. So MTC, let's clear this chart up and have a look. I would say here is an area of resistance around here. So let's put 0.41 to round it up to a whole number, so it's easy for us to understand what's going on. Then we can just identify this with a horizontal line that this is the area of resistance. Meaning, if this breaks above here, right, we can go all the way probably to this resistance around here. That's your next resistance, I would say. 0.45, right? Needs trading. Yeah, unfortunately, you can't put so. There is one. There is one. I don't know what it is, which broker, but none that I can recall of. Unfortunately, it sucks. That's why in the Discord I mentioned to members that a specific trade size to trade with, not the same as intraday, because obviously you don't have a stop loss. You have to watch the play. Thank you. No worries. What positions? Like, that's funny. Update on OPTT. OPTT. There we go. So it looks like 0.81 is the wick fill. There is a probability it'll go up to that. It's retested it, so let's see. Thanks to the bro. Thanks, bro, for no worries, bro. Why do you add a horizontal line and a rectangle, same line? Is there resistance? Just try and learn. There's no specific way. Like, I have my own technical ways. Like, there's no proper way to chart, right? There are so many ways you can look at this stock. You can look at this chart. You can look at it as a downtrend. You can look at it as an uptrend. It just really is your perspective of how you trade and what you see when you start practicing charts, right? You start to identify and understand what is actually going on and what suits best for you. So this, I just do this purple line like this because with the rectangle just identifies to me that this is an area of resistance. I know if the stock breaks above that area of resistance, that there is a high probability it'll go up. That's all. And then the lines like these, if it's above like this, just like that, it's just a resistance line. That's it. These are not target levels. This isn't what you hold to, right? I don't hold for 20, 30%. I hold for 5%. I mention that pretty much every day. Okay, we have 56 likes, 100 people. Let's get to come on, guys. We get to 100 likes at least. Did you? No, I haven't actually done Tan H. I know it ran the other day, but someone asked me about it. Yeah, Tan H. I don't know. I'm not really a fan of this stock, to be honest with you. But yeah, I don't know. It's a bit of a tricky one. Maybe good buys here. Maybe like off this trend line, like that. But I would just honestly just focus on the top gainers. Just focus on the movers. You're all trying to make money in the market. You're not trying to lose. So the highest probability trades that you can make money are the ones that give you the volume. The ones that have volume. In my opinion, I would suggest to try and learn how to day trade if you got the time. Rivian needs to close above. Needs to close above the downtrend to look for any entries. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. You can just stock. You guys are funny. MLGO, yeah. This was expected to break out, as I mentioned. I mentioned like 2 hours ago, I think. When is it? MLGO, let me have a look. Yeah, I posted, I think I said expected breakout, yeah. How long ago was it? Yeah, 1 hour ago. So this is breaking out as expected. How are we feeling? How are we feeling about RGS today? RGS there wasn't actually anything going on with it, to be honest. There wasn't much volume from what I saw last. Yeah, there isn't anything. Simply just wait for the downtrend. So right now it's bearish. Wait for closure above on the downtrend. Okay. Let me have a look. Right, let me go through some of the Twitter stuff now. I've pretty much got it. Thank you. I'm wondering, born 250, GWAV. Wow, people are still going on about GWAV. GWAV. What is going on with GWAV? There is nothing going on with GWAV. I'm literally going to go straight through this candle, which isn't technically correct, but to give you an identification of what's going on. Right, GWAV. So GWAV, you need to wait for downtrend break. Pretty much that's what I'm going to message every single time if you ask me what's going on with the bearish stock. LRHC, let me have a look at this. LRHC needs 1.78. $1.78 for entries. Needs $1.78 break for entries. Otherwise, nothing. So guys, look here. Someone just asked me this question, right? Someone just asked, sorry to ask, but what level is the downtrend break? Okay? People need to understand something. Look here, right? VLCN looks good. Here. Let's say here, for instance, right? Winner. Someone's asked me right now, someone just asked me, what level is the downtrend break? The reason why I cannot give you the price of what level the downtrend break is because there is no downtrend break until it breaks, correct? The downtrend break, when I post it, let's say for instance I post it now, okay? Maybe it will break over here, which is at 391, or maybe it will break all the way over here at 368. You understand? So you need to copy the chart that I have, which I've given here, and if it copies and if it breaks above, right, that level, then you can enter the trade. It's that it makes you practice, right? You go to the same time frame, which is pretty much the 5 minute usually. Look at the bottom of the chart that I share, then draw the trend, copy the exact same thing I've done. If the candle closes above, you enter the trade. It's that simple, right? The downtrend break can be over here, it can be over here, 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 all the way down, right? If there is no downtrend break, you do not enter. It's that simple. That is why you have to wait. You know? What is my biggest win ever? I'm not too sure. I don't know, a couple billion? Is this good news to buy? I'm not too sure what you mean. Is what good? I really appreciate your methodology. People who lose money just don't understand your chart methodology yet. Just how many trades do you get in charting? Do you get into of the charting that you post? Okay, so it's very simple. What I post on Twitter, I post about 100 charts a day. I do not get in all of them. I probably don't even get in any of them, right? The charts that I get in, I post in the Discord. If I get into any trades that I buy for the day, right, I mention it in the Discord. I took about 7, I think, pre-market trades, which I gave about 15 in the pre-market for Discord. In the Discord, but like for instance, I'll give you an example. Yesterday, okay, all the stuff on Twitter, I just share charts. It doesn't mean that I'm in the stock. They are chart setups that I expect to go up unless someone gives me a request where I say the stock is bearish or whatever, right? Here, for example, so in the Discord yesterday, I gave 3 trades, right? So I took 3 trades yesterday, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the day before, then 3, then 5, then 6. So on average, I take about probably 4 trades. So yeah, I'm not, I don't take every single trade. I'm not doing that. I don't do that. I focus on quality. My max is 5 trades a day, pretty much. Minimum 2 trades. If I lose 2 trades in a row, I'm done, which rarely happens. SPCE. So look, Wenner, what's happening, right? It's breaking the downtrend. So if this goes like this on the 1 minute, in 15 seconds, you can look for an entry, or you can wait on the 5-minute chart, you can wait on the 10-minute chart, you can wait on the 30-minute chart, whatever you decide. There's no best time frame, just to clarify. Right? So keep an eye on Wenner, right? So look, if you took it on the 1 minute chart, you should be in Wenner right now. Where's your target? 5% from your entry. So once you're in the stock, 5% is here, right? So you look for 5%. And that's what you look for. And then you have your stop loss. You can have it below the candle or a percentage, whatever you decide, right? Maybe it won't break, ladies. Where's the stop loss on the downtrend break? It's whatever. If you're doing pre-market, maximum I would say 7% from your entry. Probably a dumb question, but is it possible to make an order fill above the downtrend line? Well, you can't. Well, no, it's too difficult, Toby, because look, right? You need the candle to close above the line. If it doesn't close above the line, if you put your limit order, right, and it does this, for instance, look, this candle was about to close above, but look, it wicked down. So if you had your limit order there at 415, you would have got executed and it came all the way down. So you have to wait and watch the play, right? So look there, there's a 5% move there on Wenner. If you entered on this candle, 5-minute candles, closing in 47 seconds. Closes like this, you can look for an entry. Lol. VLCN. VLCN is nothing unless 857. 857 close above equals entries. Otherwise, leave it. Couple billion. Yeah, I'm just messing around. I don't know what my most was, bro. When is the stock most active gainer? Focus on a back to 5. Yeah, Wenner looks great. Wenner's the most bullish play at the moment. Compare it to every other mover that we have. OPTX, nothing. VLCN, nothing. Nothing. Yeah, there's nothing. Nothing. Let me look at some other plays. Wait, something's up 11%. What is that? MLGO. I will keep this on watch. I know it's a parabolic run. I'm just going to keep it here. Yeah, there's not really anything else moving, to be honest with you. Nothing else is really moving at the moment. Hollow. Hollow's nothing. Hollow, if you are trying to look for hollow, remember this, KT. If it closes above 121 on the 5 minute, 1 minute, whatever you decide, you can enter the trade. Otherwise, now just leave it. Let it go. Let it go. Amazing how people listen to someone and they keep doing other than the lessons. A little confused with that, but yeah, maybe. Appreciate you, man. Thanks. No worries, bro. See the same thing in the other subscriptions. The subs keep doing different. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. No, I know. I mean, Lando, I don't know if you are in our Discord, but we don't give thousands of alerts. We literally I gave 3 alerts yesterday, which were all green. Some members were red. I don't know why, but it's probably because they didn't listen and they didn't take the trades that we gave, or they just tried to take random trades and they didn't ask for help, or they weren't journaling, they weren't doing what we're trying to teach, right? Yes, you're not going to win every day. I don't win every day, but you need to just, if you don't understand, you need to ask. That's it. Especially if you're in the Discord. I assume if people don't ask in Discord, I assume everyone's millionaires. Right. Let me go through these plays and let's see, and then I'm going to chill. So Wenner, yeah. Wenner looks good. 480, 484, 48 was nice. Let me move this away now. AIEV, this is a trade you can take if it breaks the downtrend. So here, wait for downtrend break equals entries, right? So AIEV, wait for downtrend break. Thank you for what you do. No problem, no problem. Some here don't know they can just use the trend line tool for the percentage by the bottom. Oh yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Exactly. It is like talking to a tree. Yeah, I know. That's why sometimes I just try and ignore the people who don't listen, because it takes up a lot of my time. There's only so much I can do, you know. SVRA, OPTX. OPTX is looking good. If it closes above here or wherever, then you can look for your entry. So OPTX is looking great into open. Looks very good for today for me personally, because there's stuff over $1. VLCN still nothing over 857. CHNR nothing. GRDI nothing. BTBT is moving up. I like this player. I gave it yesterday. It was a great trade. MLGO is moving up. EOSE, OPTT. OPTT is also sub $1 though. Alright, if people are going to spam me on Twitter, I'm just literally going to block you. I have no remorse. I do not care. Exactly, like what time do you put out your trades to look at each day? I do day trading. I do it live as soon as I trade. So it's like, let's say for instance, market's open. I'll be like, okay guys, we're watching it. We have everyone in the live. And I'll be like, okay, now I'm in. Here's your stop loss. Here's your target. Here's your entry. That's how it works. I do that I live trade for an hour. Hassie does another hour. Well, Hassie's been doing like 2-3 hours actually. But then, yeah, I still look for trades after that. I don't give random alerts. I gave 3 trades yesterday. All were green. The day before, I gave 4 green. 1 was red. Yeah. And then pre-market, I'm here as well. I give setups pre-market as well. So that is what I do. Cavill, there's nothing on Cavill that I saw. Cavill slowly moving up though. Like, I mean, this level, 162 is where you want to look for your entry. That's your resistance at the moment. Because look here, right? If you break above this level here, you're going all the way to literally $2. It's pushing pretty hard. Cavill, Avengers, they dead. Yeah, Wenner was an entry 4-ish consolidation. Yeah, so if people listened with Wenner, I don't know. I mean, look. I said, look here. This is how you could have done it. Wenner, 1 minute chart. This was your candle close above the downtrend, correct? What do I always say? Wait for the downtrend to break. You can use the 1 minute, 5 minute, 20 minute. It doesn't matter, right? Look, here, 1 minute chart. You could have used it. This candle was what? Your entry candle, correct? Yes. Now, look for your 5%. There it is, right? Your 5% is right there. Okay, that's your example on the 5 minute chart, on the 1 minute chart. Now we go to the 5 minute. What's happened here? So You entered on which candle? This was your candle close on the 5-minute chart, right? So once that opened, now you look for 5% and it ran 5%, right? Realistic. We're not looking for 20, 30% moves. Why? Because that's unrealistic. You are not going to get 20, 30% all the time. I know that you can probably get at least 5%, right? But if it keeps going, fantastic. But you've secured some profits at 5%, right? So yeah, worked on the 1 minute, 5 minute. You've just proved it. I've just proved it there. So that was very simple. I've done it time and time again in the Discord today as well. It worked very, very well. So anyways, hope you guys have a great day. I will see you all tomorrow. I will be heading into Discord. The link is here if you want to join. Yeah, link is here if you want to join. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.